tukakora na mabera moyo akagenda hiyo
naboigo umorali Nyakundi ebirengere bune biga byo mugavana goborora matuka mange ekogera abantu ngo change bale oborayo biga ngo change bole at some point wana aba MCA baiga andake na bototaira netu NC round yende ahora nyole bali bago chigoche round yende bagataba kara rusi amangana ye babere baijibando si uniform wezukuru so gotaka gotwara sustainability because yo buyabwe amabera yaiga no bonge litanga nimbo bwata afyengia sawana baito ngo ba entice bale bache skuru and go create with employment because toko igora a company yega yokorosia factory yokorosia mabere watu watajiriwa direct jobs abangwana baiga our brothers bago chiko supply mabere to schools direct jobs abale mibaito bali bago chiko kuliwa mabere business is there so money will be circulating so a concept here mabere ebugate benefits chinyinge utakonyebe kororo ebe forever buna nateba etokorosia act of the counter assembly. This act of the counter assembly ebe compelling ego sugumanga na toendo bochori bwa 2027.
Yes.
Enyo wale Michael Motume take irikura kurumasiga isti awu enyu etamaje. Olio akerwa abago chabasugumwe goikaba beke chibesa aso radio yoiga so that the sustainability project yoiga ebororo and so ngo appeal go chia saba MCA baito when we will reach the time tokorosia act ya amabera ya igane program ya kunyebe kaseli chikolie county banye support imbanyi aka siasa because bese ko banande mbanye support era be egento ke okwalekana ndio mugavana simbaro rorioka so the moment mokumurusi ko sago retire after 2032 then okonyore program egokwa
bade wakwane goro ya siasa we are heading to a political year next year na bora nyore ngandisa political idea na
omwana siasa era okora siasa kila lituko
exactly
Nyakundi ngora tainda abantu bana be wordinga ngogenda nda matanga amange sana baka bantu ntamanyeti tiniko genda oroko bando umuya kozembu ata maliga amange ngogenda ona eguli bagana kwara siasa so anything a politician does as much as keko konye community ngotakare ku advance political agenda yaye bono buno mugavana nabugate duty aboshibo mogusi wa advance politics yaye na development development ya monere yega we are likely to employ 50 to 100 people ekere ku ene kobe factory these people will be earning omoshara you have changed lives for 100 people and some point we cannot tabanga no etobwata youth unemployment yene na se Kenya counties abatu abeta devolved many counties ochakere Nyamira Kisii and many other counties ndoriko kore enough to create job opportunities this is one of the ways to create chigasi asabantu baito kare to kubeka wana border baiga into an organized group to abatumeka sobo sombi baito and to baro osere ndi chipara chinkia sebagweta then we are trying to sustain their business kare to kugolia balemia mabere bakonya bakuonie para batugutera to abagolini wholesale to abaka na chibesa to bainikare chiba create circles. What are we trying to do? We are trying to create sustainable job opportunities. Waziri na akangi kukuana nga gochibosio ngoro story bakeries in every sub county. These bakeries yabantu bagochikori kworo na bagusiba minto. And we are likely to employ maybe 10 people per a bakery, counting 49 or 10 sub counties to bugate iga gusi. You finding an to a bakery other 100 or 200 people on payrolls chia a program weyega. So it is a program abantu batakireko yerigere not only kogonga mabere as a box yerigocha. Wholesomely nebugate economic benefit chinyinge go chia somo gusi so waikaba ntoje support mwaziri nate batu waira abantu baito obonyansi boli bwo koleta amabere ngombe kolia yanyora amabere amange abantu boni gabuna to kwana program ero yogo vaccinate chiombe chaito asamoro ira aliyo monwa nebitago abantu baito ba take this initiative very seriously mazinya kundi abantu baito no bakolera amaya sometimes they might not appreciate agwa tabanga inki mwaletera amabere mwale kolete bitabu inki mwaletera amabere mwale kwaga chebirasi so human beings bago shift from a goal post to goal post lakini as a leader obwate steering uno mugavana ya Kisii County kabwate vision ya mabera astand ne vision ita deviate indegera abantu baitu kabanyora matunda ya a project ye go say initiative
before ndara ndesi waziri